Hi, my name is Rick,
And I'm Anya,
and we're going to teach you tango today.
Argentine Tango.
So, are you ready? Let's get started. Now for the first steps in tango. The two most important things in tango is posture and balance. Now we're going to demonstrate what we need to do, the footwork for the balance and changing of weight. With tango, your weight is either on your right or your left, never in between. So, as you shift your weight, your feet are almost in a half V position, a small V, not very big. And as you shift your weight is shifted with your chest. Stomach in, chest out, head straight, just like what Anya's doing right now.
So let's try together. You try to project everything up, chest a little bit forward, and move your weight from one foot to
To
another.
another.
Easy.
Boom.
One to another. Good.
Simple. Okay. Now, the most important part is to do it with a partner. Anya will place her hands on my chest. And now we'll move together. But it's only where the man asks you to stop, the leader. Boom. When he stops, you stop. You stop on the opposite side. Boom. Shifting the weight. Careful not to put your hips into it because you'll be off your axis. Try staying on your axis, nice and smooth. Boom. Boom. Easy. I stop, she stops. Tango is all projected from the upper body and the connection that you have. Boom, boom. Try, practice it a little bit before we start stepping. Boom, keeping your posture straight up and your chest out. Now we're going to add stepping in directions. But the first thing we want to always remember in tango, it's the foot that has no weight that will take the next move. So if we shift our weight here, the right leg will move first. If we shift our leg to the left, to the right, it's the left leg that will move. And of course, for Anya, it would be the right foot. Now we move. Boom. As we move, we don't transfer the weight to the right foot. We keep it on the foot that steps. Boom. 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 So the next step we take, boom. And try not to use this method because right now she doesn't move. As I said, tango comes from the chest. This little impulse movement that I'm doing right now without even moving my feet is what tells her to move. Left, right, back, collect, and forward.
That's another important thing. After each step, you have to bring your feet together. So it's never like this. Let's try. So you have to always bring your feet together, to the
Yes.
position together.
Mm-hmm.
Step together. Step together. Step together. Step together. Another important thing, not to shift your weight after you finish the step. You finish the step and try not to do this.
Now at this point, I don't know where her weight is. So shift.
Step and just collect the foot that without weight, it just stays next to the one that's already has weight. Step, collect.
Step, collect. Going forward for the guy, backwards for the woman. Boom, collect. Boom, collect. Boom. Guys, be careful not to change in the middle, because now that confuses her and she doesn't know how to move. It's important that there's a feeling going on here. So this time is a good time to connect with your partner. Look at your partner. Appreciate your partner. Find something that you haven't seen before in your partner. Breathe, shift your weight, then move. Make sure that she's with you. Guys, we have to control everything. Forward and backward. To the side, to the side. These are one of the key elements here in tango. So, patience is a definite virtue. Women have to be patient. If she rushes, she's ahead of him. If she's too late, then she's behind him. So it's very important that you connect and just be patient. Don't anticipate the next move.
That's the beauty of tango, when we women can follow, 100% follow our partner. Not to lead, but only follow.
Okay? All right?
Let's do a little revision. Remember that first we start with our posture. So we project all the energy up, chest goes a little bit forward, feet together, and we start from shifting our weight from right to left, from right to left. And try it together with your partner. Place your hands on his chest and just switch weight. He switches, you follow him. And when he stops, he makes a step to the side, forward, and back. Beautiful. Side,
Beautiful.
side, forward, back. Yes, that was wonderful.
That was wonderful.
Thanks. We hope you liked it and we hope you tried it. And we will see you at our second lesson. Please join us.
Bye-bye.